Hello, good morning. So today I would like to introduce you one more of Thai dishes.
อ๋อให้ขวดนึงด้วย
This one called the fresh spring roll. So the first thing is I gonna introduce you first for the ingredient that they put inside. So you can see like a spring onion and cucumber, soya bean, and also tofu and mushroom. And after that they also have a fried egg that they have already cut in pieces, and also the sweet pork sausage there add over here. So this is all the ingredient that they make inside. So and then they have a pastry like a kind of I can show you this one. That is a pastry that they will use for the wrap, and say like a fresh spring roll wrap. So now she will show you how she start. So I will focus more what she put. เดี๋ยวทำช้าๆหน่อยได้ไหม So she put all the ingredients. You can see that inside. I think the important thing is about the way that she wrap it. So after she wrap it, she will cut it in pieces and put it in the box. And after it's finished, it's gonna be look like this. So one more time, you can see how she wrap it. Put all the ingredients first that I introduced you or talked to you in the early of the clip, and then after that, all the soya bean and cucumber, spring onion. Cut it. And then put it in the box and decorate it or present it with the spring onion and the top with the fried egg to make it look more nicer, and then wrap it in the box. Basically this food have to eat together with the sauce, but now we have to wait for the sauce because the sauce she made it from home. ซอสนี่ไอซอสนี่คือเอามาจากบ้านใช่ไหมคะ
ทำอยู่ที่ร้านก็เลยไม่ได้
โอเคมันเป็นน้ำจิ้มหวานเนาะ
ใช่
เขา
มัน
เรียก
จะหวานแล้วก็จะมีงา แล้วก็
โอเค
น้ำมันงาด้วยอะไร
So I just asked what is inside for the sauce. Sauce, the taste itself will be a bit sweet, and they will put the like a kind of sesame seed inside, and also the sesame oil as well. So they are ready in the afternoon because now they make the sauce at home, and we'll bring the sauce over here and pack it in the small cup and sell it together with the food in the box, the fresh spring roll wrap here. Okay, that's it. So thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.